Hi, welcome to Gen AI Amazon Q Developers session. So, as you see this title, you definitely knew about what the topic is. This is something related to artificial intelligence. So, we have Amazon Q Developer, which is there to help us to create intelligent code assistance to increase the productivity. So, to interact with the Amazon Q Developer, there is a chat-based support within it. And it's an integration with AWS service. So for the setup we need a subscription. So let's see one by one. First of all, Gen AI, that is generative AI. It's a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content like images, text, music. That's something specifically we are dealing, that is a code here, or images. It is usually based on machine learning models called generative models. These models learn patterns from a huge dataset like text, pictures, or audio. Then they generate new content that fits those learned patterns. Now let's see the common types of generative models such as GPT, that is generative pre-trained transformer for the text, and there is stable diffusion for images. GANs, that is generative adversarial networks, that is for images, videos, and lot more. But AI just analyzes and classifies data, whereas Gen AI can produce original creative outputs. So this is the basic of generative AI. And coming to Gen AI, we have AWS Q. So let's see how the installation of AWS Q plugin in IntelliJ IDE. So in IntelliJ IDE, go to the settings and search for the Amazon Q, and we can able to find the Amazon Q plugin right here and try to install. Maybe at a single click we might not able to install, download it. Try it again and again and again. Finally you will able to install. Just a message will come up before installation, so try again. So once installed successfully, you can actually this we need a setup for a AWS subscription. Okay, we need some subscription, as well as before that you can try to install with the settings in IDE simply, like you can there will be an install button at the right side of just below the plugin, and click on it and apply, okay, and click OK. So coming to the features of AWS Q Developer, there are different features like /dev, doc, review, test, transform at workspace. Do you know actually what is the main use of AWS Q Developer? This is actually we can able to write the code. It's a code assistance actually. We can give like instructions. We can give the instruction what the logic we need. We can provide those instructions to, it's a chat area, like there's a chat box in Amazon Q, and we can provide the instruction in particular chat space, and it will generate the particular code in our IDE. So without generating the code or writing the code by ourselves, which is time consuming, right? So it will give the, if we give the basic logic, it will give the complete code in the IDE itself. Okay, I will show one by one. So this is the Amazon Q chat space for the interaction. That's why we called Amazon Q. It's a chat based, there is a chat based support in it. This is how it looked like. This is a screenshot from the IntelliJ IDE, and there's a chat based support in it, where we can able to, there's a text field we can able to select according to this. These are the features in it, right? As I told, there is a dev, doc, review, test, transform, have those are the features in it. So first of all, we can use this the feature. This is to generate code to make a change in your project. That means it's a code development assistant. It helps in developing new code from scratch with the test cases, right? So it's a very good thing. With test cases we are getting the whole code right from scratch. That's the main important thing. So there's a particular feature in AWS Q. Developer helps to generate developing new code from scratch with test cases. Users simply describe the desired functionality in natural language. Just that we can type a desired functionality in our natural language. After it analyzing, it will generate the complete code in our IDE. Once the code is generated, then we can move to the next command, that is /doc, where we can able to generate documentation for your code. So this doc is used to generate documentation for the developed code. Okay, like a Q will generate the documentation. Like see, this is how we are in the slide. We can able to see how the um, previous feature is shown. Describe your task at this particular area. We have chosen dev, and you can describe the desired functionality in natural language just after that, and just click enter. That's it. And moving to the doc feature, Q will create a readme.md file that include a Java or Spring Boot version. It will create a readme.md file that includes a Java and Spring Boot version, right? All added dependencies, descriptions of your business flow, and a summary of what your module does. So very helpful for your project tracking as well, with help of this documentation. And this is the feature that comes under it. Moving to the other features, as you can able to see some other features like review. With help of review, it's a review tool actually. Review code quality and logic, which highlight and suggest correct patterns with justification. This review is superior to Sonar, Cube or Lind we might use before AI, right? In IntelliJ ID, I just used Sonar Lind for this review purpose, which reviews the code quality and logic. So here, with help of this feature, it is very easy to highlight and suggest correct patterns with justification. And next feature is the test, which automated test case generation, which analyzes code and generate JUnit, ensures higher test coverages as well. Moving to next feature, that is transform. This is like a code and framework migration purposes we are using this feature. Upgrade projects from older versions to new versions. For example, we can easily migrate the whole project from Java 17 to Java 21 with help of this feature transform. And final feature is at workspace. At workspace is references all which reference all code in our workspace. That means it's like a project indexing. It's indexing the project on import. At the workspace, where there is another there are some other advanced features like folders, files, and code, which means yeah, see here, there you can able to see the folders. Add all files in a folder to content files, add a file to content codes, add code to context. So this is like we can able to see by choosing the folders, we can able to see all folders in the projects we are using. And AWS Q understand our project's folder structure, whether working with microservices, modules, or layered architecture. This means Q gives us context-aware suggestions based on where files live, not just what they contain. It's like having an assistant who knows our code base inside and out. So we can just select any one of we can choose any one of the folder of the project, and we can ask in the chat based support that what the logic of the particular folder. what are the files contain, what are the things, like what all things we need to know. We can highlight the particular folder and just describe it. Moving to files, this is advanced feature as well. So if we select some of under the files, we can select some of the files or highlight the particular file. Here I am selected a pom.xml file and I am asking like add a lambok dependency. Just actually yeah, after dealing this, it will analyze the pom.xml and find if there is no lambok dependency in it will automatically add the lambok dependency in the prompt.xml file. So you can able to verify the annually added lambok dependency is highlighted within green color. So yeah, within green color. So by simply writing it is it's within seconds we are getting the complete code in the particular file only, right? With it's very much useful thing. And as well as we can able to ask the logic of particular file by highlighting the particular file. Okay, and there comes a code there's another advanced feature of Amazon Q developer, which highlight any method or function and just say what you need, like add logging, create test cases, fix this particular bug. That way we can ask, yeah, in the same chat based support. Q responds with real-time updates. Yeah, so this is the main thing we are covered in Amazon Q Developer, which is a Gen AI, and with help of Amazon Q Developer, it is the main thing is like it's very productive thing. Like it is very we will generate the code automatically instantly with help of machine learning techniques. And there is an chat based support for easily interaction. We can able to get a documentation for the future reference. There will be a review tool. Test case generation is also automated. If in most of the projects the transformation is very important, right, for the older projects to new projects, or migration from frame or migration or that upgrade. We can upgrade the projects from older versions. So many helpful things can be made with help of Amazon Q Developer. So try to install this and see how it helps in your project. Thank you. Let's see in next session.